Get to the ship!
Optimus! Optimus!
Optimus!
Optimus.
Optimus, we need you!
No! Ship! Oh, he's after ship!
Optimus! Took your time?
Together, as one!
Dinos and bots, this is your savior speaking, reminding you to get the shock out of that ship before that storm wrecks us all! It's an energy storm, a big one. I'm guessing we don't want to be in it when it gets here.
Shipwreck Mirage?
Primus, this thing is ancient. I can get it skybound, but I need time.
Oh, sure. We have lots of time.
This is our one chance, Mirage. We have to make it.
Yes, add pressure. That'll make it easier. Stinking primes.
This is our one chance. We have to make it.
Comms are open, Mirage.
Finally, some good news.
And some bad news.
Dinos and bots, this is your savior once again. We are clear for takeoff. Please keep hands, arms, and chassis inside the ship.
Munch it!
We've got a bogey!
Our friend does not want us to leave, Little Prime.
Better change his mind before it's us and the ship getting wrecked.
No. No, you can't.
What? What is it, OP?
He knows what play is. Someone will need to go out there and keep Scorponok off the ship.
I'd love to, but then who's gonna pilot if I do?
No,
you know?
Optimus!
You can't!
Not you, Prime. Your team need you. Lead them. Grimlock, I thank you, my friend.
You have my blade, Grimlock.
No! We can't let you!
It's okay, tiny friend. Sometimes victory needs sacrifice. Besides, we are God instead of...
That's more like it!
Optimus!
We will come back, B, but right now we must use the chance they've given us. Take us home.
You gotta tell me twice.
Mayday! Mayday! This is Elita 1 calling all frequencies. Attempting to breach CYBERWORLD atmosphere. Does anyone read? Repeat, does...
Alita, is that
Wheeljack?
Wheeljack? But you said he was destroyed.
This junker needs to hit escape velocity before that storm gets us!
Wheeljack, do you read?
you? There is no escape. Reject now.
We can't be sure that's him. The signal...
I know that voice, Optimus.
But we're so close.
Getting real windy here, Chief. Now or never!
Hold all 7, hold 9.
7, retreat. 9, danger? That's our code. Abandon mission, turn around at all costs. Mirage, we have to...
Ain't gotta tell me twice! Good try, folks!
We have to get off now. Come on.
But this is the mission. Escape Cyberworld. Everything we've done.
Wheeljack is alive, Optimus, and he knows something we don't. I trust him with my life. Do you trust me?
I do. Both of you.
We'll find another way, OP. I know it.
I have you!
Who has you?
Scorponok? No! Jim! No! Escape!
Did he just save us?
There's truly more to that bot than meets the eye.
So that was all awful. What now?
Time to find an old friend.
we're still all one. Fight it out for the energon. Figure out whose side you're on in cyberworld till all are
A relief to be free of a stench. Dizzy!
Silence, you dim sparks! Forward, Scorponok! Yeah! We need to split up. B, Alita, get around back. He's undefended from behind. Grimlock, you and I will run interference. Snow, with me! By Primus, just shoot him! Ah, you useless pelagic! Must I show you how it's done? Pathetic Scorponok. Much better. Now, cut down that prime.
Whilst he was out digging holes in the sand, I was studying the blade.
Scorponok, show this relic the meaning of obsolescence.
Prepare yourself!
No!
Let's go, now!
Next time, spare me from your foolish predilections for self-sacrifice.
You're welcome.
What?
Keeping friends alive is never a bad choice. Grimlock! We need to get you out of here. Oh, no, little Prime. We still fight. Together.
Change of plan! I'm going all the way to the top!
Suits me. This is for Wheeljack.
Time! Run away! Scorponok! We don't want to hurt you. You need to listen to Optimus.
Scorponok shall listen. What? Mighty Scorponok, I, Optimus Prime, come to you in the interest of peace. Megatron intends to conquer this planet. He is using you, Scorponok, as a weapon. I know you have been mistreated here, but that will only continue if you allow Megatron to control you. Please stand down. You can clear our path to freedom, that we may return to free all of Cyberworld. Enough failure for one rotation, Scorponok. Destroy them all! No, Scorponok has been deceived! What are you blathering about? Destroy them! Megatron is no friend to Scorponok. Attack them! Blast them into dust! What are you doing? Scorponok, destroy Megatron! I think not. Well, it seems our alliance has come to an end. Oh, Scorponok, this is disappointing. Scorponok! Megatron, stop this! Scorponok, stop! You're destroying him! Megatron. Optimus.
Well, this'll be fun. Glad you two agreed to join.
We like you. We like fight.
Blade sharpened, arm restless.
Easy, Robo-Ronin. Scorponok's not a monster. We're here to save him.
It may not be him that needs saving.
Oh, scrap. Megatron isn't trying to destroy Scorponok, he's controlling him.
No time wait for little Prime and Bumblebee. Aim for weak spots and...
No, wait!
As expected. Scorponok, those nasty bots are coming for you. But don't worry. We protect our friends.
The dark cannons chew through them like so many.
You have to dodge roll! Get close!
Going to be a problem.
Oh, Grimlock, a king reduced to a Prime's lackey. Where is he anyway? Has the desert overwhelmed his delicate wheels?
No, he just wanted to make an entrance.
Did you miss us?
This ends here! Look who's had an upgrade, but it still won't be enough!
Oh, hello.
Bumblebee, draw him away from the ship. We can't allow it to be damaged.
Right, my best.
Megatron's controlling Scorponok.
And powering him with one of those boost devices.
Scorponok, Megatron cannot be trusted. He's only here for himself. No, I'm helping you reach your potential, protecting you. Unlike Prime, always so violent. I'm just trying to save everyone, Scorponok. Has he ever tried to help you, Scorponok? Engage! Keep it up until you find an opening. Don't give him a chance to fight back. I thought...
Wait!
Optimus!
I didn't know what you'd been through, Scorponok. I should have helped you. Finish them. No! Finish them! I'm sorry.
Not leaving us out, are you?
That's so rude!
Stop them!
Watch out for the sting!
Oh no, you are not leaving this fight until I say we are done, Scorponok. Remember, target the others, do not target Scorponok. We have to save him.
And by Chop Chop, we need to destroy the special rock! It's the only way!
No! Special rock! It must be saved, not destroyed!
What?
Special rock!
Are your circuits fried?
Special rock!
That's our window.
Let's make it count. Charge! Of all the useless bug-brained. No! Strategy! Now we can focus on saving Scorponok.
About that. Still might not be him that needs saving. The data should be in Megatron's vault, which is underground in the heart of his jungle base. Not difficult to locate, but it has quite a few layers of security.
How do we open it?
Well, I can bypass the majority easily, but having someone open the door from the inside would be extremely helpful.
Sounds simple enough.
Sure, if you ignore that.
There are so many cannons! Hello? About to be blasted to scrap here, guys! Guys?
It's called being a diversion bee.
Oh, you want a diversion? I'll give you a diversion.
Shielded.
But we planned for that, right? Right?
Yeah, calm your cogs. We planned for that. Show off.
So why couldn't you make us both invisible?
Someone has to be cannon fodder.
Commence Phase 2. If I know Megatron, and unfortunately I do, there will be countermeasures and traps at every turn. What's going on? Update!
All good. Just a slight misstep.
Alita was nearly sued.
We get one shot at this team. Keep moving. Things are going to be tight. This is tighter than I expected.
I did say someone smaller could do it.
It's too... dangerous. It had to be... me. Uh-oh.
You two retro rats want to hurry up?
Wow, wish I'd thought of that. Hurry up! What a good idea! Hey, Groovatron! Quit goofing around. You're up.
Sorry, dude. This is just too freaky.
All right, optical scan.
Done. Wait, voice authorization?
Uh-oh. Just try saying Megatron stuff.
Taking fire! Figure it out fast, please.
Alita, you're at an 11. I'm gonna need you at a 6, okay? These things happen. The key is when the frag hits the band belt. You gotta stay cool.
Easier said than done. Any luck out there?
Bee?
Only the strong survive. Peace through tyranny. Rust in the wind. What are you doing?
Someone has to be cannon fodder. Oh no, an intruder!
Better blast him! Okay, that is kinda impressive. Darn, Quintesson, I'm a stupid bullsport!
Optimus, come in!
Well done, team. Let's get what we came for and roll out.
Hey, I said I'd get you in. That's all. I'm not waiting around for the real Megatron to get home. I'll see you at the ship, if you make it that far.
The subject continues to show great resilience, even after considerable experimentation. The process,
Who is that?
so painful, is effective. Its strength is unmatched in body, but it is weak in mind. Although its weak points can be leveraged.
These logs go back cycles. All experiments on Scorponok.
A power siphon. This must be how Megatron has kept his energon levels so high. He can store it here and boost himself anytime.
There's not much left. He must have powered up to fight Scorponok and take the ship for himself.
If that's the case, there's no time to lose. Megatron may be about to offline an innocent bot.
Well, if we're going back to the desert, maybe we should dress for the occasion. Off-road mode, anyone? Hard light data projections. Very fancy, Megs.
But only good for one trans scan each. Alita, why don't...
Actually, I'm good.
Dibs!
Let's roll out! Stay back!
Be calm. Yes, we are not here to hurt you. No.
In fact, dear Scorponok, we've come to be friends.
suffering out here so alone? We want to help you. Wouldn't you like that? Friends? Yes, Scorponok. The very best.